AquaFlex waterproofing tape application instructions. Preparation for installation. Standard cleaning and preparation methods for waterproofing should be undertaken prior to installation of the AquaFlex waterproofing tape. The corners of wall and floor joints and pipe penetrations do not need to be sealed prior to tape installation. Bond breakers are not required as part of the AquaFlex waterproofing tape installation process. AquaFlex waterproofing tape bonds to any liquid membrane. However, the best results can be achieved using polyurethane or epoxy-based membranes. To ensure a satisfactory bond of the waterproofing tape to the membrane, ideal installation room temperature should be at least 24 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, artificial heating may be required. Adequate personal protection should be worn. This may include the wearing of gloves and/or a respirator. Application: corners, wall, floor joints. Step 1. Mark the size of the prefabricated AquaFlex waterproofing tape, internal and external corners, and apply the membrane to the marked areas. There should be an area of approximately 10 mm, half an inch, above and below the corner which is not treated with a membrane. This is the area where the black rubber strip on the waterproofing tape will be placed. Place the corners on the wet membrane and ensure the black strip is halfway between the floor wall and is pressed into the corner as far as possible. Corners, wall and floor joints. Step 2. Measure and cut the linear AquaFlex waterproofing tape from the end of the installed corner piece to the next corner piece, ensuring some overlap so that the corner and linear tape can be bonded using the adhesive strip supplied. Leaving a non-treated area of approximately 10 mm, half an inch, from where the wall-floor meets, apply the liquid membrane to the wall and floor approximately 50 mm, 2 inches high on the wall and approximately 50 mm, 2 inches wide on the floor. Peel off the paper from the adhesive tape of the corner pieces. Place the linear AquaFlex waterproofing tape in the wet membrane with the ends overlapping the adhesive strip on the corners pieces. Ensure the black rubber strip is placed in the areas not treated with the liquid membrane. For maximum adhesion of the two pieces of tape, force should be used to flatten the adhesive strip. This can be achieved using a flat piece of timber and hammering the timber to flatten the strip. A second membrane coat can be applied over the AquaFlex waterproofing tape to maximize the bonding of the tape to the surface, or apply as many coats as desired. If a fast drying membrane is used, the above process may be performed in two parts, i.e. first the floor and then the wall. Showers. Install the corners and measure and cut the linear AquaFlex waterproofing tape as described above for corners and wall floor joints. Also install the linear AquaFlex waterproofing tape between the wall and wall joints up to the height of the proposed tiled area. Pipe penetrations. Slide the tap sleeves over the tap bodies, paint on the liquid membrane and stick the sleeves to the wall. Once in place, a second coat of membrane can be applied over the AquaFlex sleeves to maximize the bonding of the sleeve to the surface, or apply as many coats as desired. Thank you for choosing AquaFlex Waterproofing Solutions. For more information, contact International Trading and Consulting.